What's up YouTube, it's your boy Mr. Reg and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I know you guys see the title and the thumbnail. Today I'm gonna be telling you guys my 1 year review on my Q50. Actually, it's been like a little bit over a year since I had bought this car because I had bought it last November, but I had got it on the road in January. So I'm really counting January from up. I'm doing this video a couple of months late, but it's okay. Finna get to it right now. So my 1 year review, man, I can't believe that it's been 1 year since I owned this car. It's actually kind of crazy, you know. In a whole year, we've been pretty busy with it. You know what I'm saying? Like the VR swap, the maintenance, you know, doing all the maintenance for the car, like, you know, spark plugs, the heater hose, coolant, thermostat, cats, new cats, air filters, diff fluid, a whole bunch of oil changes. You know what I'm saying? You know, just getting this car running to its best potential, and then going into things like a few mods with, you know, the brake calipers, you know, cleaning up the wheels, the tint. You guys already know, like, the tint was horrible on this car. Did the tint, then we did the subs, and then from there, you know, we did the whole tune, E85, you know, a whole bunch of stuff that we did in this car within a year. And it's like, dang, like, it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's honestly, like, it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? And I knew when I had bought this car, I was gonna hit the ground running, but I did plan to do a lot more stuff, but, you know, things just didn't work out. But we're doing the stuff this year. We're doing everything I had planned last year. We're doing it this year. So I'm really excited about that. But my 1 year review, honestly, I put over 20,000 miles on this car. I had got it at like a little bit under 99,000. I think it was like 98,000. And so far it's like almost at 122,000. So I put a little bit over, like, you know, 20,000 miles on this car, and it's been great. I took it to Vegas. You know, that's like from where I live, that's like how much? Like maybe over 500 miles trip, you know, and that's there and back. So I took it to Vegas. I took it all over around the Bay Area, and the car has been great. One thing about these VQs, man, and one thing that I preach about with these VQs is that they are a great car. As long as if you take care of it. The main thing with VQs that you're gonna have to do is just do your oil changes. If you do your oil changes and you keep up with the oil and you just keep up on the minor maintenance stuff, your car will run for a long time. These VQs are built to last. These are good engines. It's just that when you dog them and you don't do the oil changes, and then of course you'll have problems. But I will always stand by these cars, like the G37, the G35s, and even the, you know, Q50 VQs. They're really, really good cars. Like, I haven't had not one problem, you know, knock on wood, but I haven't had one problem besides when my tire decided to, you know, blow up on me on the freeway. That was the only problem I had, like, where the car left me stranded. But like, mechanically, the car haven't left me stranded. It's been a great car, and I've been super duper proud of it. You know what I'm saying? Like, all the hard work that I put in this car, you know, to get it running to where it's at right now, it's just going crazy, and it's gonna keep on going. So I will honestly say, yeah, you know, the car has been good to me. For the first year, this car has been good to me. I did a lot of things. Like I said, a lot of things I did with this car, and like I said, I plan on adding more to it, you know, as time goes on. But if you're interested in getting a Q50, especially like the 2014, 2015 model, because it has the VQ, I have the VQ, so I can only speak for the VQ because I have it. I will honestly say go for it. You know, these cars are getting cheaper just because of stuff that goes around the cars, you know, like all the theft and, you know, the sideshow activity and everything. These cars are getting a lot cheaper, and they're really good, solid cars. The only thing that I would have to say is that what you would have to worry about is what I just said. Unfortunately, is theft. That is definitely on the rise with this car. A lot of people are stealing these cars. Unfortunately, they're going through the sunroof, trying to steal the car, programming new keys, and they'll take off with your car. So one thing that I would preach to you guys, like I always said, if you're new, this should be your first time hearing it. If you are interested in getting a Q50, as soon as you buy this car, bro, as soon as you buy this car, go get you a steering wheel lock and go get you a kill switch ASAP. Steering wheel lock, kill switch. Steering wheel lock, kill switch. Steering wheel lock, kill switch. I don't want to see you go get no wheels. I don't want to see you get no exhaust. I don't want to see you do no chrome delete. I don't want to see you do the RGB headlights. I don't want to see you do none of that. The first things that I want to see you do is a kill switch and a steering wheel lock. Just so, you know, they might break in if they could, but at least they won't take off with your car and you'll have it. And you got to protect your investment. A lot of people put so much money behind their builds, you know what I'm saying? So much money behind their builds. And it's unfortunate that someone steals it. And of course, you're not going to get that money back with insurance, you know what I'm saying? Especially like AAA or Geico. They don't care if you got mods or nothing. They don't care if you got $3,000 headlights. You think they're gonna pay for that? No, they're gonna give you what the car is worth. So to protect your investment, to protect your car, definitely get a kill switch and a steering wheel lock, and then you can do everything else. Definitely would do that. I had 2 kill switches on my car, and I also have a steering wheel lock. And like I said, it's been doing me justice. The car has been pretty safe, knock on wood. I would definitely recommend that if you're getting this car. But overall, if you are buying this car, definitely get it. It won't leave you stranded. Just make sure that you check the maintenance records, you know what I'm saying, before you buy it. Make sure that it's been properly taken care of. And if it was properly taken care of, especially if it was a dealership car, and if it's a one owner car at that, I would definitely go for it. So, and you know, you wouldn't have a problem with the car. And like I said, they're getting fairly cheap now. So you could probably pick one up between like the lowest, maybe 8 to 14,000. My bad, y'all, it's getting hot. And one thing, when it gets hot, this camera will be like, it's too hot and I can't do it no more. So I'm gonna just finish this video on my phone. But yeah, like I was saying, you can get one easily between 8,000 to 14,000. You know, when they was going at one point for like 50, 60,000, you know what I'm saying? So you could definitely get one at a good price now. And I would definitely recommend you getting one because they are a good car. It's just the only thing that you have to worry about is theft. But if you have a garage, or if you have somewhere safe to park, or you kind of like live in the cuts or something like that, you should be okay. But I would still say get a steering wheel lock and a kill switch if you are getting this car right here. But yeah, y'all, this is my 1 year review with the Q50. And like I said, everything has been pretty good. Everything's been pretty good. And I wanted to show you guys the kill switch real quick. I mean, not the kill switch, the steering wheel lock. So I got this one right here. This is the top of the line by the club. I would definitely recommend that one. And yeah, you see the interior, it's looking all nice, looking all good. You know, I gotta do some things to it. Gotta make sure it's right. But yeah, I would definitely recommend you buying one of these. Definitely a good bang for your buck. And you won't regret it. Nice little sports car for the low. But yeah, I don't want to talk you guys head off. You know, I just wanted to make a quick video of, like, you know, my 1 year review with this car. How's it, you know, how's it going, and all the other stuff has been going pretty good. Can't wait to do some more stuff to it and make this car eventually to a show car. So if you are new and this is your first video you clicked on, definitely subscribe. Also like and turn on post notifications so you know every time I post. I post every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesday at 1 p.m. Pacific time, and then Friday 12 p.m. Pacific time. So you'll always have a video Tuesday and Friday. So definitely follow up. And yeah, we got a lot of stuff on the way. But I appreciate you guys. It is getting super duper hot out here. So I'm about to go take myself home and go chill under some AC because my cameras ain't gonna do too good in the heat. So I appreciate you guys. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.